Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you how you can create fully AI-based UGC videos like this right here. So guys, if you look at the screen, so all of these characters and all these videos are 100% generated using AI, okay? And guys, just look at some of these examples right here. I mean, come on, if you see this on social media, there's no way you can actually tell that it's AI, right? Obviously, there's some like overdone in terms of productions, right? But again, it's really creative way. But if we look at something more natural, for example, we're going to be using today a selling option, right? So we're going to be basically uploading a physical product, and AI model you see will hold the product, and it will just come up with some script to kind of try to for example, sell the product on TikTok or Instagram, whichever the social channel, right? And we'll see the end result. And I'm gonna show you everything from A to Z. So you're gonna be learning as I go. And as I do things, I'm gonna be explaining what I'm doing, what's the reason behind it, right? And just really sharing some tips and tricks for you as a beginner. So if you have, for example, a Shopify store, and if you want to create UGC AI videos for your products, or maybe for just brand awareness and stuff like that, so this is definitely the video for you because you can learn everything that you need to know to start creating these AI UGC videos and start pushing them on TikTok, Instagram, right? And also you're going to be saving so much money on UGC creators because guys, even micro influencers charging like at least $150 to $200 for like 15 to 20-second video. And in a lot of cases, you need a lot of visions, and it's not really what you had in mind. So now with this, you can essentially pretty much create your own AI UGC avatar in the exact style that you want, and translate the messaging to the end user or to your customer in a way that you exactly imagine, guys. So a lot of fun stuff today. Let's go ahead and dive into it right away. And guys, in today's video, we are using something called Hickfield.ai. So Hickfield is basically a AI platform to generate AI videos, AI images. But again, the difference is with Hickfield that it's extremely premium and high quality, right, guys? So if you look at these ones, again, these are more creative, videos and pictures. But if we go with something more natural, so for example, they have something called Hickfield Soul, meaning that these images are specifically created to look like exactly one-to-one to real life images, right? Guys, just look at this. So come on, if you see this on Instagram, and for example, this girl would be like a Instagram influencer, come on guys, there's no way you can tell that this is an AI. Come on guys, just look at the details and everything. Like the environment is so real, right? It's crazy, guys. Like even somebody who's been in the industry and doing AI for a minute, like I would struggle to understand if this is AI or no, right? So guys, just look at that. And this is exactly why I want to be using Hickfield today, because the quality of the output is just crazy, guys. So anyways, enough of me bragging about Hickfield, guys. Let's go actually start creating the actual UGC. All right, guys. So the way it's gonna work, we're gonna basically create a UGC video for a brand called Ordinary. Okay, guys. If you are into skincare, then you for sure know what is Ordinary. But if you're not, guys, it's one of the biggest brands for facial care, for skincare, right? Really big in the in the beauty industry. It's all over Sephora. Like every single person knows about Ordinary. So now let's imagine we have a brand deal with Ordinary, and now we need to create a UGC video to promote this product right here, right? So this is exactly what we're gonna do. So I pulled the image ready from Amazon as a reference. So now let's start actually creating our AI UGC video, right? So first of all, there are a couple options you can do. You can either upload an image of the avatar, right? So in a sense that you can either upload it or you can prompt it. So let's say we want to create our own avatar, right? So for that, we're going to use AI to also create our avatar, and also we can use a Hickfield for that. Okay, guys. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so this is my influencer that I just fully generated using AI, guys. Just look at the quality of the picture. It is absolutely insane. So anyways, the way I did it, I went to the image, create an image, and then I literally created a super basic prompt. I didn't describe the camera angles or the environments. Everything was pretty much done by AI. All I did is I just said, create female 20 to 25 years old who is an influencer in a beauty niche. No props, meaning I don't want any objects in her hand because that's going to be handled by the video. Jen, and she's sitting in her bedroom. She's sitting down in her bedroom, right? So this is exactly what we want, guys. Cool. So I feel like this is okay because we kind of see the face up front. So this could be used. Let me just download this image right here. Cool, guys. So now I'm gonna go back to our video right here. So I'm gonna upload the avatar. Let's go from downloads right here. This is the avatar, and now we want to upload the product. Okay, so awesome. We have the avatar, we have the product. So now we need to essentially create our text, okay, or basically the script, all right? And we also need to describe the action. Okay, guys, so today we're doing the easy beginner way. So I'm gonna be using ChatGPT to create both of the prompts quickly, guys, okay? So again, but if you wanna really get high quality results, right? So I do suggest you kind of dig into, prompt engineering, meaning that it's sort of a science behind how you prompt engineer or how you basically write prompts. Right, guys, if you want to dive into more advanced prompt engineering topics, let me know down in the comments, guys, and I'll gladly make a video on that as well, right? Okay, guys, so I'm here with our good old ChatGPT friend. So I'm going to be using the ChatGPT 5, guys. That's a most recent model. So what I'm going to do here, essentially, I'm going to take a screenshot of this right here, okay? Just like this, guys. And I'm going to take a screenshot of this one. Okay, and I'm gonna bring this ChatGPT, and you will know exactly in a second why I'm doing this. Okay, I'm not just taking useless screenshots for no reason. So I'm gonna copy paste this in here, and so we need to have script for the action, what's happening in the scene, and also for audio to text, or basically audio text, right? So first of all, I need to learn about the product a little bit more. So I believe this is a silicic acid or zinc. Let me check, guys. Not silicon primer, guys. I forgot the name of the product, guys. Let's go first. Pull the product description because we can't write a script without actually knowing the product. So I need a description for the product so we can feed that to ChatGPT. So let's see, where is the actual description? High strong vitamin mineral. Okay, this is good to go. So I'm gonna do this product. Okay, product name. Okay. So the thing with AI is the more granular data or more data you give on a detailed level to AI, the better it's going to be. So this is basically here we have a product details. Okay. So now we need let me see, guys. So we have the product details, and now we need action and audio. Okay. Create script for this AI UGC in the following format. Okay. Okay, so this is the structure or anatomy of the script. So create a script for this AI UGC in the following format. So I need audio and action. So write script for product, use natural TikTok format script and benefit driven, and how it helped her skin, right? So I'm not trying to sell the product, right? So the thing with in general stuff on TikTok, when you're trying to push the product or when you're doing brand deals, you're not going to go and talk about, oh, you know, how amazing this product is and what kind of crazy benefit the product itself has, right? So you always need to position like, okay, how did it help me, right? So highlight the benefits and how it helped me personally, and how it can help you if you are in the same situation or if you're going through similar struggles, right? So that's essentially the angle for TikTok video formatting. And then for action, again, here we're going to be describing the scene of what's happening. Describe the scene, model holding product in hands without too many sudden movements, because I don't want the product to like go left and right and just like, distort, because when you have a lot of movements, right, so the things and elements change in the scene. And when you do that, there's a lot of distortions and sort of, where things break. So keep it steady and clean. That's kind of the best and safest way to avoid any, I would say, defects in a video, right? So we have everything here. Let's go ahead and shoot at the ChatGPT. All right, guys, so this is the audio. Honestly, this is good. Let me just bring that to audio to text. Okay, but I'm not sure we're gonna be able to fit this into 8 seconds. That's kind of the only thing I see, because so we are using VO3 fast, and VO3 fast is limited to 8 seconds. Okay, so it's gonna be hard to pack this into 8 seconds. So for audio, make sure it fits into max 8 seconds tops. Okay. My skin was so oily and breaking out. This fix it fast. Okay, I mean, I kind of forgot that the VO3 models are limited to like 8 seconds, so that's kind of the, I guess, trade-off for the stuff. But again, my point here is for you guys to kind of show you how this works, and then later on, what you can do, you can create like, multiple videos of 8 seconds with using Hickfield, and then stitch them together using like CapCut or whatever. And you can even pull, for example, some B-rolls from TikTok. And again, I'm going to show you just in a second how you can pull B-rolls, meaning product shot videos without actually doing it yourself from TikTok, right? Just in a second, guys. Let's first deal with the AI UGC itself, and then I'm going to show you how to get the B-rolls. Okay. So we have the audio. Okay, it actually gave me a couple of variants, which is cool. But we're not going to do A/B testing for variations here. For the action, let me copy paste this into the Hickfield too. So image is still here. This is here. Image action. Okay, this is where it goes. Okay, so let's go ahead and start doing that. Okay, audio text is good to go. For the voice type, what I want, let me see. Let's do automatic. Okay, happy, sad, angry. Let's do maybe. Actually, let's see. I want to say excited, but I don't want it to look kind of weird. Let's just go with auto for language. I want to make sure it's English, and I want to make sure that it's American. Okay, I don't want to like British or Australian, because trying to appeal to the general population of data ends for TikTok. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's click next. Background sound. Should we have any background sounds at home? I don't think there's any really. None. Okay, let's do that, guys. Let's do it. Guys, and by the way, I'm gonna be including like a very simple doc just at the end of the video, essentially where I'm gonna give you guys free Google Doc with basically explaining what we use, how we did it, and also kind of the breakdown of the entire ChatGPT thing, right? And how we basically end up at the end result. And also I'm gonna drop in a exclusive bonus for you guys, how to download videos from TikTok for free as your B-roll, right? And I'm just gonna give you some basic instructions on how to use that with CapCut, right? And again, guys, check out our YouTube channel. We have a lot of videos on how to actually source videos from TikTok and how to put it all together. But again, if you want me to kind of give you a full A to Z, like really pro level video tutorial on how to do it for your Shopify or for your DTC, right? So in terms of like video tutorial, so we're gonna be basically generating stuff with AI. We're gonna be sourcing B-rolls. We're gonna be putting it all together, and then all the way down to uploading to Shopify. Let me know down in the comments, guys, and I can definitely do that for you guys. So yeah, guys, let's go ahead and see if the video is ready. Awesome, guys, and it is. Super excited to see this one. So let me just play this one for you. Let me see if my sound is enabled. Let me check. Guys, the volume is up. Let's play this.
My skin is so oily and breaking out. This niacinamide fixed it fast.
Nice, guys. It's actually pretty good, guys. And it's like right on a dot, like 8 seconds ends and it smoothly finishes.
My skin was so oily.
So I do see a little bit of like, I see a little bit of problems with the product rendering. But again, this can be adjusted with the prompt. Again, we should have explained to the AI actually, what's on the bottle, what's the text. Otherwise, it hallucinates. But again, the picture itself wasn't really the best quality. I pulled it off Amazon. I'm sure we can find it better. Or we can go to ChatGPT and ask it to re-render it in high quality. So this way, it's a really high quality image we give to AI. But again, considering that we did this in like 15 minutes, guys, this is really good. So imagine if you make maybe like, I don't know, 3 or 4 videos like these in different scenes, like you can really make cool AI UGC videos. And again, if you feel like you don't want to have the product and AI models, you can always do it without it, which is going to be much cleaner result. And then you just source B-rolls, for example, from TikTok, where you can actually have real life, videos of the product or stuff like that, and then you stitch it all together. So sort of hybrid, AI and the human AI UGC stuff, guys. But again, let me play that again for you. Let me just open up in a full screen so you can see the entire thing.
My skin is so oily and breaking out. This niacinamide fixed it fast.
Pretty cool, guys. So yeah, that's how you can do it. And as promised, let me show you quickly how you can pull B-roll videos from TikTok. So if you want to do like, product video shots without actually having the product, let me show you quickly how you can do that. So we're gonna go to TikTok, and let's just remove this no spill pet bowl. That's something I was working on as well. So we're gonna go with ordinary niacinamide, whatever it's called. There it goes. Then I think that's the one. Cool, guys, and you can easily use this as a B-roll. You just have to cut it. You just have to cut it where you don't show the face, because for privacy reasons, you're not really allowed legally to show anybody's face, that you don't have rights to, right? So you can just cut it up, and you can just cut the parts where it shows the videos, and then stitch it all together with your B-rolls. Again, it's really a express way of doing things. I do highly suggest, if you are serious about AI UGCs, either really master the way of generating the entire product using AI, or just order a sample, make the B-rolls yourself, and then stitch together with the AI, right? But again, if you are kind of tight on the budget and really, tight on time, you can do this. So you're gonna take the link from TikTok right here. You're gonna bring it to this SSTech.io, copy paste the link, and then click on download. And then you can choose without watermark. I believe you choose without watermark HD is going to ask you to create an account and stuff like that. So I'll just go with the first one because that's the easiest one. And there you go, guys. Now we have the video right here, guys. Right? So guys, that's about it. If you enjoyed the video, guys, I hope you did. Let me know down in the comments also if you have any feedback or suggestions. If you don't, you can always like and subscribe and enable those notifications so you get notified when the next video like this drops, because it's always full of value and packed with knowledge for all my beginners out there, guys. Okay, and as always, I'm gonna wish you happy building and success with your business, guys. If any questions, shoot them down in the comments. If not, I'm gonna see you next time.